Having a proper skincare routine during time of quarantine, it's important to take care of the skin. But doctor, you're also talking now about protecting your skin while out in the sun. I know the sun will be shining this weekend and much of next week. What is your best advice for folks who want to enjoy the sun but still being able to protect their skin?
So great question. No sunbathing. I always tell my patients, enjoy the sun, play tennis, go for a walk, but don't sit out in the sun just for a tan, because a tan is sun damage. It's your skin trying to protect itself. So you don't want to do sun just for sun's sake. But if you are going out into the sun, obviously we have tons and tons of products to help you. And it can help you look, they can help you look nice even without a tan. You can see on my arm here, these are some of the sunscreens that we love. They're all zinc based, so they're reef safe, they're mineral based, no chemical sunscreens. And you can see on my arm and also here on Barbara's arm that basically we have a color. We also have non-tinted sunscreens, but we have a color for every skin type. Mm-hmm. And so if you want to get a little color without sunbathing, then you can use any of these sunscreens. This is also an amazing product that is a powder sunscreen, and you can probably see the powder coming out. I'm using the dark color so it will show up. This is obviously not the color I would use, but this allows you to be out in the sun and have your makeup on and just protect yourself with an amazing sunscreen and not mess any of your makeup up.
Doctor, I have a question. I have a question. A lot of people are at home and working from home, and they'll, be in and out, maybe out on the porch or the backyard. Is it important to put on sunscreen every morning, even if you don't plan to go outside?
That's a wonderful question, and I'm really glad you asked. Absolutely important. Not only is 80% of our sun exposure and sun damage incidental from just going in and out of your home, but we also now know that a lot of the blue light from computer screens probably causes some skin damage as well. And these particular products protect you from that, particularly these Color Science products, which are great sunscreens, and they've been proven to protect from the blue light as well. So Barbara's showing, how she would apply this with a full face of makeup during, maybe in between Zoom meetings, mm-hmm. and protect her skin from the computer screen as well as from any sun outside.
A question I have though, okay, so if you actually get a little bit sun exposure and you spent a little too much time, what's the best way to bring down maybe the burning if there is some, or what's the best way to treat that?
So great question. From a treatment standpoint, I recommend a topical vitamin C. Barbara can grab maybe the SkinCeuticals product that's been shown to decrease the sunburn cells that are seen on biopsy in patients who develop a sunburn and decrease the damage to the skin that's done by a sunburn. And that's a product like this. So a topical vitamin C product can actually physically improve the damage that you've done after a sunburn. And then just for comfort, of course, aloe is very popular. We tell patients to put it in the refrigerator, and that can cool the skin. And in some severe cases, a prescription for prescription cortisone cream can also help.
Fantastic, doctor. I know you showed a lot of wonderful products. If people are at home watching, I know you're doing delivery, or they can call you and get more information on the products that they can pick up curbside. What's the best way to contact you in your practice there?
So they can message us on Facebook or Instagram, or call us at 916-646-3376. If you call over the weekend, press 6 for our office manager's voicemail and just leave your information, and we'll call you back on Monday. Otherwise, we're open minimal hours for phone calls, but usually from 10 to 3.
Awesome. Great. Thank you so much, Dr. Calkin, and of course your assistant there, Barbara, for all the help and information to keep our skin glowing and looking good during this time of quarantine. Thank you
so much.
All right, Tina.